Thinking about starting a business in Arizona? Well, you're in the right place. Arizona is known for its business-friendly environment, low fees, and no-frills LLC setup process. But if you've never done this before, then figuring out where to start can feel overwhelming. No worries, I'm here to break it all down for you. In this video, I will walk you through the exact steps to start your Arizona LLC the right way, without confusion or wasted time. By the end, you'll have everything you need to make your business official and get started with confidence. If this sounds good, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get into it. Before you start filing paperwork, you will need to pick a name for your LLC. But there are a few rules to keep in mind. Arizona requires that your business name includes limited liability company or LLC. It also cannot be too similar to an existing business in the state. To check if your name is available, use the Arizona Corporation Commission's business name search tool. If your name is taken, you'll need to tweak it just a little bit. But if it is available and you're not quite ready to file, then you can reserve it for 120 days for just $10. Every Arizona LLC must have a statutory agent, which is basically the person or company responsible for receiving legal documents on behalf of your business. Now, you can be your own statutory agent, but you'll need to have a physical address in Arizona and be available during business hours. Now, if you'd rather not use your personal address, then you can hire a statutory agent service for around $100 to $300 per year. So once you have your name and statutory agent figured out, then it's time to file your Articles of Organization. And this is with the Arizona Corporation Commission. This is the document that legally creates your LLC. You can file online or by mail, and the filing fee is $50. Now, if you're in a hurry, you can pay an extra $35 for expedited processing. Most people choose to file online since it's faster and typically approved within just a few business days. Arizona has a very unique rule when it comes to LLCs. You might have to publish a notice of LLC formation in a local newspaper. If your statutory agent's address is in Maricopa or Pima County, then you are off the hook. The state handles the publication automatically. But if your business is in any other county, you will need to publish the notice in an approved newspaper for 3 consecutive weeks. Prices vary depending on the publication, so check with local newspapers to get a quote. Arizona doesn't require you to have an operating agreement, but it is a really smart idea to have one. This document spells out who owns the business, how decisions are made, and what happens if a member wants to leave. Even if you are a single member LLC, having an operating agreement helps keep things organized and protects you in case of legal disputes. Next up, an employer identification number, or EIN. This is like a social security number for your business. You will need one to file taxes, to hire employees, or open a business bank account. Now, the best part is it is completely free. Just head over to the IRS website and apply online. It only takes a few minutes and you'll get your EIN instantly. Now, once your LLC is set up, there are a few things you need to do to keep it in good standing. The good news, Arizona doesn't require annual reports for LLCs, so you don't have to worry about extra paperwork every year. However, you do need to keep your business information updated. If you change your statutory agent or business address, you'll need to file an update with the Arizona Corporation Commission to avoid fines or penalties. And there you have it. You now know exactly how to start an LLC in Arizona, from picking a name to keeping your business compliant. And if you found this video helpful, please do us a favor and hit that like button, subscribe, but mostly drop a comment below if you have any questions about this process, and we will answer it for you. And for more business resources, check out simplifyllc.com. I'll leave the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your new business in Arizona.